Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to get the list of all the files which are present in a specific directory, and also show the appropriate size of each file side by side. So as you can see, we are running this Python script, and in the home directory we are searching for all the files, displaying it. This is a file name followed by the size name, size as well, in megabyte. So if you want the output to be in this format, I will show you this Python script which will loop through all the files and display the size as well, side by side. You can target any directory and see the result like this in the terminal. I have given the script in the description of the video. So now let me show you step by step how I built this. So first of all, you need to import the operating system module, which is a built-in module. And then here we specify which directory that we are targeting. So we are targeting the home directory dot slash, and then we use this lambda function, operating system path. So here we are checking that if it's a file or not and joining the path. So after that we will get the list of files. We will filter it using this lambda function list directory, which will list out all the files for us. So after getting the list of files, we will simply also get the file size. For getting the file size, we simply use this function. So we get the size here using this property, and then we loop through all the files here like this. So this basically stores all the size, and then we loop through, and we actually print out the size here like this. I've given the full script. So we're rounding it out to get the result in megabytes. So that's all that is needed. If I again execute this, you will see that it is saying filter fun is not defined. It is on line number 7. Sorry, filter. Okay, sorry, this is. npath has no attribute on line number 5. So you can see it actually returned the list of files alongside with their size as well in megabytes. So the full script is given in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.